Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2014 Audi Q7 with 3.0. This does have a supercharger on this one. So we're doing a water pump. Got the new one installed already. This is a rather simple water pump to do. First of all, loosen up your belt. That is going to be a 17. That is for your tensioner. You'll rotate it towards the left-hand side of the vehicle. I'm sorry, the right-hand side of the vehicle if you're facing like you're supposed to. That'll loosen up the belt tension. From there, you're going to have triple square bolts for the water pump pulley. There's only 3 of them. But what I would suggest to do is leave the belt on, loosen up those 3 triple squares, then take the belt off, because now you'll have extra resistance to be able to loosen them up. They're not on there super tight, but it just makes it a whole lot easier. If the belt is already off, like mine was in this case, you can always use a pry bar to pry back behind the pulley to hold it in place as you loosen those up. Take off the pulley, and then you have 6. Let's see, we got T30 bolts that go all the way around where the water pump is at, and it just comes right off. So this one already had like 90% of the coolant already out on it, so there's nothing to really drain. But to drain this, there's not a drain location, so you would loosen up that lower radiator hose right down there and drain the coolant out. Take the bottom pan off, and then the coolant will come out with no issue. We're going back together on this. We're going to put the belt on, fire it up, burp out the coolant. There's your coolant container right there. You have a bleeder valve right here, which is just a gigantic Phillips head, one on that side and one on this side. So just make sure you loosen those up that you're putting coolant in, so any air that's trapped in those hoses gets evacuated out. Other than that, just top out the coolant, let it run for about 10 minutes or so. Thermostat opens up, top it off, and check for any other further leaks. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.